here's the exciter, and off of the AV plug that comes off of L2 right hand end AV plug going down to earth ground through the bus system in the building. Off of L3, you see the left end of L3 is open. The right end goes to the collector connection of the transistor. It does not go through this 470 mica capacitor. Now the input, right now I'm driving it into oscillation at 23.4, 300 millivolts out of a 50 ohm load. And I'm going into the left end of L1. The right end of L1 is open. I'm hooking the ground end of the generator to the left side of L2, and again the right side is connected to the AV plug driving the exciter, and the cathode end, or the plus end of the diode from the AV plug, is going to earth ground. Now what you're going to see here is, let me show you the spectrum. And here we have the primary frequency, which is 23.4. These frequencies right here are coming out of the exciter. Now watch as I take and tune the input, or the input frequency from the generator. What I'm going to do is go down to 23.2. I'm sorry, I'm at 23.3, 23.2. There we dropped out. I'm at 23 exactly. And right there, we're getting enough input back to drive the exciter. Go on up to 23.3. We'll go on up to it drop out again. Right there you can see that it's almost in a burst mode operation. We're at 23.3. There we dropped out at 23.4. Go back. Right now we're at 23.2. So we're developing enough voltage off of L2 to run the exciter adequately. I do have the 10 mic in there and the 2.1, the one behind the power rail and the one up here at the top. Now I have my ferrites bridged. The ferrites on the power rails are not being used at this time. I have shorted them out underneath with a piece of wire. So we're taking and running 300 millivolts off a 50 ohm driver. We're running the exciter, and I'll go ahead and show you we can also run a white lead here at the same time. So there's quite a bit of gain going on now in this particular arrangement.